What's up guys, this came from Top Wrap. A lot of you guys know us for doing extremely high-end vehicles, but we also work on daily cars for our PPF solutions. What I want to talk to you guys about was more about our branding side, our commercial side, which is exactly what we're doing right now on this brand new Toyota Tacoma. So this is the third vehicle out of the 6 that we're doing, and we've designed something that ties every single vehicle together. Wherever they're driving, they're going to be recognized. And we've actually had extremely good success stories with this for our own company, where we had our Teslas wrapped in a bright blue with our logo across it. I used to get calls on the highway while I was driving for people inquiring about wraps. Driving a branded vehicle is extremely impactful and powerful, more than you would imagine. We do everything turnkey solution, design, print and install. If you guys have any inquiries, feel free to reach out to us. This is the Tacoma, and we have 4 RAV4s we're doing, and also I don't even know what the other one is yet. They're actually in the process of buying it, but we're gonna design and install that one too. So this is the production room where all the ideas come to life. You guys come to us with an idea. I want a vehicle wrapped, so we're gonna ask you, what's the vehicle, year, make, model, the exact trim. We do everything from the mock-up to the printing, the cutting, and the lamination. We'll brainstorm what exactly you want, what the vision you have. And if you don't have any, then we can create some for you. Then we'll print out a sample so you can see in real color what that's gonna look like before we do the full size on your vehicle. Or this is where we're going to be picking the colors if it's something that's prefabricated, some chromes, some metallics, some reflective materials. You want to see these in different lighting and in person. So most of the time we're going to tell you to come into our shop so we can go through the project with you. Once you drop off your vehicle, we're going to do a full decontamination inspection of your vehicle, give it a nice bath to make sure that it gets ready for wrap, getting the car super clean so we can have a really flawless finish. We do this for every single one of our vehicles. If they're coming for PPF, window tint, or vinyl wrap, or even the commercial stuff, we take care of every single one of the vehicles the exact same way. How long is it gonna take us to wrap your vehicle? It really depends. Is it a basic lettering that we're doing? Is it a partial wrap? Or is it a full wrap? It depends how small or how big the vehicle is, and also how much of it we're disassembling. No matter how small or how big the project is, we got you. And I want to say thank you guys for watching these videos. If you guys want to check out some more cool videos of things we've done, check out these right here. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.